Good morning, students. Now, today's another experiment in our CNC machine. So, here you can see that the first essential component of this particular CNC system is a stabilizer, which is actually, as you know, that stabilizer is used to stabilize the voltage and current supply to that particular system. So, this is a servo voltage stabilizer. We need to open this particular stabilizer from here to start, or you can say before running our CNC lathe machines. Okay, now we move to further. Now you can see here that now the machine is opened here. Now the machine is open here. Now you can say that this is the display which shows your X and Z axis, the position of the tool post. Now you can see here we have to maintain the tool spindle. We have to give the spindle RPM, supposed to 200 RPM, and after that we will set the spindle and the feed rate from here. After that we will start the cycle. And you can see here, after starting the cycle, we can see here that the chuck start rotating where our job is mounted. Okay, so we can run or we can operate this particular feed rate from here. We can give the spindle speed or the feed or the RPM, you can say, from this particular button. You can see here. Now you can see here the speed of the chuck, which is going to be slow and fast. Okay, now we will see in this particular system how to move your tool post. Now we will move this particular tool post from here. Now you can see that by giving function to our machine. Now we can see that we can move this particular tool post in y direction from top to bottom. You can see here that now this tool post is coming to down in y direction, or in x direction we can also move. In x direction you can see that, yes, x, y, or you can see that the z direction, we can see that we can move this particular tool post. And which tool you want to use to operate your this particular procedure, it will come into the front of that particular job. Now you can see here that the turning tool is over there. Now we have to make contact between your tool and your workpiece. Okay, now as you see that we are making contact using different buttons over that, and here we can see that we have to make a contact between your job and your tool so that it will start machining procedure. Okay, now you can see from here. This is a kind of plane turning operations we are going to perform over here. Now we can see that we have an operations which is performing here, plane turning operations. Now you can see that the chips start generating from the material surfaces, and it will fall down in your collector box just below your this operation station. So all the chips are going to be fall down over there. Okay, these are the chips which are going to be collected over here. And if we want to on your coolant, so you can directly on or you can directly start your coolant. Your switch over here is that, you look at here, cool on and cool off. So we will cool on, we will yes. So here we can see that okay. So by using, this is a simple kind of procedure we are going to follow, and here you can see that this is a display over here where your x or z axis is of tool post, and from here we have to set our spindle RPM, and from here we can give manually different codes which we will study in further experiments. Okay, so this is how this particular CNC lathe machine is going to be operate for different procedures. Okay.